disappointed we lost. But look, for me, I'm more concerned about the well-being of our guys. You know, Flip sprains his ankle. When are we going to ban court storming? Like, when are we going to ban that? Like, how many times does a player have to get into something where they get punched or they get pushed or they get taunted right in their face? And it's a dangerous thing. And I don't want that to take away from the game that Wake played. Because Wake played a big-time game. Salas was as good as could be today, and hats off to them. But you look around the country, and Caitlin Clark, something happens. And now Flip, I don't know what his status is going to be. He sprains his ankle. And it's one thing, like when I played, at least it was 10 seconds in the court, you know, you would storm the court. Now it's the buzzer doesn't even go off, and they're running on the floor. And this has happened to us a bunch this year. It's part of it. I don't want this to take away at all from Wake. They earned it. They deserve the win. Steve is a hell of a coach. I respect the heck out of him and his team. They're really good. And if this is an example that they need to be in the tournament, what are we even talking about? So I'll answer any questions. But for me, that's hats off to them. We need to be better. We need to learn from this. But that needs to stop.
John, do you think you will talk to the conference about that? I mean, is that something you'll try to push in based on your?
Yeah, they're here today. You see it. Like, who in their right mind can see that? So, yeah, that's smart. It's dangerous. And in what other sport does that happen? And I'm telling you, I don't even think it was, did the buzzer go off and all of a sudden fans are at half court? You know, and I'm with Steve. And I turn and I see Flip is just surrounded by students. And he's limping off. We're carrying him off the court. What sense does that make?
Some schools have security, police there to help protect you guys in that situation. Do you feel like there was anybody there helping you today?
People were there, but obviously not.
Would you consider the next time you're in that situation going?
You know, I should have. That's a mistake on my part. You know, you're still trying to hope that somehow you can get fouled at the end, and I'm never going to give up in a game. You want to do everything you can to give yourself a chance. And obviously they're just staying away from us, and there wasn't an opportunity. But in retrospect, I wish I would have gotten those guys off the court. And so I let them down in that respect.